This vibrant April, Shanghai Disneyland celebrates Earth Month. Every corner bustles with life, and enchanting stories begin to unfold. Today, let's peer through our lens and explore hidden narratives within this fairy tale world. Look, it's Donald Duck! As the Chinese proverb goes, the duck is the first to know when the spring river warms. So, it's only fitting that we start our Disney springtime with this lovable duck. Marvel at Minnie's magnificent floral bow, as if she has subtly woven the very essence of spring into her outfit. Disney Friends' botanical outfits require patience, as they blossom from seedlings into exquisite living couture through over 180 days of meticulous care and natural artistry. Disney's springtime is a masterpiece of color. Tulips sway to and fro in the breeze, as if to joyfully trumpet to all who visit that spring has arrived at Shanghai Disney. The Tron Light Cycle's hedge sculptures transform into futuristic complements to the iconic shapes of Tomorrowland. Throughout Fantasyland, uncover hidden surprises around every corner, each filled with unique charm, showcasing the creative talents of our horticultural team. Oh! Winnie the Pooh's overturned honey pot in 100 Acre Wood adds even more sweetness to spring's beautiful blossoms. In Andy's backyard, we transform into his toy soldiers, surrounded by a pencil forest of plum pines. Take a deep breath. Pirates of the Caribbean's rosemary and herb blend cures lovesickness. Enjoy the silent choreography of the trees as they sway and dance through the jungle. Hurry up! There's already a queue forming outside Otterton's flower shop. Over 20 flower plants burst into bloom. As if, shh, isn't that the night howler? It seems it really does exist, and Officer Judy has finally captured proof. Let Elsa's frost preserve this moment, where delicate blossoms move to the rhythm of Let It Go. Each delicate floret a musical note in spring's enchanting symphony. Look, each leaf holds a love letter from Disney to our planet. Grab Lena Bell's magnifying glass to peek under the petals and find hidden fairy tales.
好啊好啊，外面空胸舞，唱 Let It Go 跳舞 ，Let It Go Let It Go， 每一度侪是維穩大眾嘅春日元素。
ท่านผู้ชมลองฟังดูสิ ดอกทิวลิปเหมือนเป็นแต่เล็กๆ ที่กำลังเป่าเพลงร่าเริง